Okay, y'all, we have got our free breakfast at this particular food bank. Now we're headed to another spot. You got this one at 9 o'clock, and then you got the other one up here that is gonna open up at 10. One of them give out hot food, and this one here is gonna give out like bags of groceries that you would get at Walmart. Let's get to it. All right, y'all, we have made it out of the pantry. Okay. For you people who are at or below the poverty line, y'all got to start tapping into y'all neighborhood resources, because this here could possibly free up $200, $300, maybe even $400 and $500 a month that you can then turn around and take those extra dollars and invest it into something like, let's just say, Bitcoin. Invest it into the small business that you're trying to get off the ground. A lot of this stuff right here is the same stuff you would get at Walmart, Dollar Tree, Dollar General. The only difference, which is the best difference, is that you don't have to pay nothing for this. Just gotta quit having too much pride, that's all. This is literally probably like, I'm gonna say probably $30 worth of stuff right here. By the inflation being at an all-time high, yeah, just a little old box like this still gonna run you probably about $30. Even at Dollar Tree, because their prices has went up as well. Well, greedy man gotta go eat now. I'ma holler at y'all.